Alright, hi guys, this is Jordan from South Africa, Uprint SA. I'm going to do a little training video on our roll press, how to use our roll press with the mug. This is for your wrap print or double-sided print on a mug. Again, Hudson's just laying down an activator so it picks up the artwork. Okay, he's just cut it out in 4 strips. Gets the mug ready. Wipes the activator on with his hand. It is very user friendly. He lines it up, gets it nicely. Position, you can see he's got a mark there, over here. And he's got a mark in the center. He's putting his hand down here to apply pressure on the back of the mug, and then the handle applies pressure on the other side of the mug. Okay, small movements like that. This picks up the artwork nicely. You can see that all of it's been picked up, and now he moves over to the other side. The pad is big enough for the mug to roll completely to the left and completely to the right. Once you're done, pick it up, and that is not the true color. We're now going to go ahead and spray that. Okay, get your spray gun ready. This is our extraction unit. It uses an extraction fan. So watch the colors change. Look at that. Now you let that mug dry in front of a fan for 5 minutes, and then you would heat gun it after that, and it'll be ready for market. Dishwasher proof, microwave proof. Thank you.